Trading is like a battle, and you're the one calling the shots. You can either come out on top or give up. It's up to you. It's a tough business, but it's also a chance for you to become your own boss and make serious money. By the way, if you have no idea about trading, check out the link in my bio and thank me after you got your free ebook. Stay strong and take charge of your own success.
I'd like to greet you guys at the top of the morning, and welcome back to another episode of WealthWiseGuru. And I'm your host, John Chad. And it's just, once again, it's Monday, July the 7th, 2025. And top of the morning to you guys. And looks like the portfolio is going to be struggling today to get the green. Looks like we're going to start out in the red this morning. And we are investing $20,887. It's actually down this morning by $10.88. With a buying power a little over $500. And so let's take a look at the portfolio this morning. First up are the options, and we have, let's see, there was six options. And we have 3 in the red and 2 in the green this morning. Let's see, let's look at the overall the value of the stock and the ETFs. And again, we're going to be starting the day or the week off down this morning. We're down by $300. But the value of the stock and the ETF is $75,378. Still, we have 214 holdings in the portfolio. And first up is Tesla. Tesla is actually in the red this morning. And let's see, she's actually down by $26.22. I currently have 2.59 shares of Tesla with a market value of $750. The return this morning is a negative $67 or $68. Total of $156.94. Metal Facebook is actually up this morning by $4.54. It's trading at 723.57. Currently have 1.37 shares of it with a market value of just under $1,000. And the return on this morning is so far is $6.27. Total is $184.67. Boeing Airlines is actually up this morning by 74.67 cents. It's trading at 216.58. And my shares I have on it, my position is 5.0 shares with a market value of $1,088.36. It's 1.9% of my portfolio. So far, the returns on this morning is $3.12. Total $204.60. See, Apple is actually down this morning by 34 cents or 32 cents. And let's see, I currently have 4.39 shares of it with a market value of $937.50. Total return this morning is 1.76. Total of negative $23.44. Google McDougal. Google is actually down this morning about $1.58. It's trading at again. Alphabet Class A is down this morning about $1.90 or $2 now. It's trading at the 177.53 this morning. I currently have 100 shares of Google, and it's valued at $17,800. It's negative this morning, just under $200. Total return on it has been $1,680 some dollars. Amazon is down this morning about 30-some cents or 27 cents. It's trading at $223.21, with a market value of 4.89. With shares that I have 4.89 shares with a value of just over $1,000. Alphabet C, which is the same thing as Google. So they have two different share platforms. Alphabet C is trading at 178.81. Down this morning about $1.81, and I have 4.5 shares of it. With a market value of $800. And believe it or not, Delta Airlines up this morning. Delta Airlines up 57 cents. It's trading at 51.42. I have 4.48 shares of it, with a market value of $230.77. So far, the returns on this down day $2.47. Netflix is also down. This morning, it's down by $13.94, trading at $12.83. I currently have 0.53 shares of it, with a market value of $691. Microsoft is also in the red this morning. It's down by $1.67. Trading at $4.97. I have 1.09 shares of it, with a market value of $5.46. S&P/Y looks like the S&P/Y is going to start out being in the red this morning. It's actually down by $2.09, trading at $623.25. I have 1.7 shares of it, with a market value of $1,068. Negative this morning, $3. Nvidia is actually down this morning about $1.11. It's trading at 158.20. I have 102 shares of it with a market value of $16,200. It's negative this morning, $120. Total return so far on it is $3,036 or $37. Nasdaq is actually up this morning about 40 cents. It's trading at $90 and 47 cents. I had 3.39 shares of Nasdaq with a market value of 306.69. QQQ is actually trading at 5.53. That's actually down this morning about $2.95. Current position, I have 1.02 shares of it with a market value of $5.68. Right now it's negative $2.99. Palantir, boy, Palantir just do not let you down. It's actually up this morning, on about 6 cents, but it looks like it might be climbing. It's trading at 134.46 or 42. I have 167 shares of Palantir. Market value of $22,515. Is 39.45% of my portfolio. So for the day return on it's only been $32 and some cents, in total $3,394. And so that's going to do it for today's video. Nothing really exciting to report in the market. As we just come off a holiday weekend, this usually how what happens. It takes a while for the market, to get back into the groove of things, or for investors to get back into the groove of things. And so we're going to be starting out this morning with most of all the shares in my portfolio in the red this morning. But like I said, don't let that stop you just because the shares are down. That means that it should be a buying day. This means that it's time to start loading up on your favorite stock, so that when it does go back up, you have more shares in your portfolio, and that increase the value of your portfolio once it starts going back up. And that's what the market does. That's what it was designed for. It's designed to continue to go up in value, even though it does go down sometime, like what you see now. But the market's going to do what it's going to do. And just because what you see is doing what it's doing today doesn't mean it's going to be this way forever. It doesn't mean that it's going to be down next week or down next month or what have you. And these are all my pending. Just a few of my pending dividend pays that I have in my portfolio. As you can see, I got a lot of dividend lot of dividend pay in my portfolio, and my dividend pay is probably equal about $500, $600, $800 a month, and I have it the way it just reinvests itself. So when you are investing in these companies, this is exactly what you need to do. Make sure that the company is paying dividend pay, and that's like dividend pay is like an extra paycheck. Only is I do not withdraw it. I have it reinvested back into the market, and in doing so, it grows my portfolio to the point where it's at now, and so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to still trying to leverage up and get my portfolio up to 100,000. Once you get your first $100,000 in your portfolio, then it'll be easy to level up and continue to grow. But that first 100,000, try and get your portfolio up to that first 100,000 is going to be the hardest. It's going to take the longest time. And that's just how the nature of investing in the market is. But once you get that first 100,000, then now you have leverage, and so it'd be just that much easier to get to the next 100,000. Then once you get to the next 100,000, it's going to be even more easier because you can leverage up yourself now double or twice. So it's going to be that much more easier. And so then you can that would be your pathway. If you can get to 100,000, you can get to 200,000. If you can get 200,000, you can get to 3. And if you can get 3, you can get to 4. And if you can get to 4, you got a lot of discipline and you can manage your money well. You can get to 5. And if you can get to 5, you can get to $1 million. And if you get to $1 million, you can get to $2 million. Because once again, you leverage yourself up, your portfolio just that much. So that's why the old saying is the rich get richer and the poor gets poorer because of leverage. They leverage themselves up to where the regular either average people, we are busy being consumers and not really putting anything into the in the economy. When most of the average people actually take out more from the economy than what they put in it. And if it weren't for their paycheck that they get from their employees, they wouldn't put nothing in the economy. It'd be told they just busted. Because most average people, man, I don't think they concerned about what kind of car they can drive, where they live at, and they want to live in the best and finest homes, and eat the best and finest food, and buy the best and finest cars, and go on trips every now and then. But investing in the market, it takes time to grow your portfolio. It doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen with consistently investing in discipline. So in other words, it's delayed gratification. And most people cannot deal with delayed gratification. They want what they want now, and they don't want to wait for it. They don't want to build for it. And so that's going to do it for today's video. It's going to be kind of a short one since the market is down. I'm going to be changing the format of the way I invest in the market and the way I bring this class to the YouTube platform. I'm going to be going live on half of this. That way I can try to improve the the visibility of the YouTube platform. So when you see me live, that's just me changing up the platform and strategy of how I'm presenting my YouTube channel. So may all your trades be a good one. Have a good and blessed day. Be safe out there, whether you're traveling to and fro to work, school, or what have you. Happy trading, and if nothing else significantly happens in the market today, then we'll see you guys again on Tuesday morning at the opening of the bell. Have a blessed day and be safe. Thank you for watching. And so let's get into the morning brief. Investor segment is cautious as market reacts to new tariffs and political distraction from key companies. Today, the market are experiencing declines, primarily driven by concerns over new tariffs announcement by President Trump, which have created uncertainties, especially for companies with international exposure. Tesla stocks fell 7% after Elon Musk announcement about forming a new political party, raising worries about potential distractions affecting the company performance. In contrast, Palantir shares rose 3.5%, showcasing investors' confidence in its business model, despite the broader market challenges. Overall, sectors like technology are struggling, while some stocks like Palantir are standing out positively amid the turmoil. And you got the up-and-coming events at 7/12. You got the earnings report. Major companies will report their earnings, which could significantly influence market segments and stock prices based on performances related to expectation. And 7:15, you got the Federal Reserve meeting. The Fed will discuss interest rates, and any changes could impact borrowing costs and market liquidity, affecting investors' decisions. On 7/20, you got trade deal announcement, potential updates on trade negotiation may shift market dynamics, especially for companies heavily involved in international trades. Trump announcement of new tariffs, market reacts negatively. President Trump announces new tariffs targeting several countries, causing significant declines in major stocks. This move increases uncertainties in the market, particularly affecting companies with exposure to the impacted region. Tesla shares drops after Musk's political party announcement. Tesla stocks fell nearly 7% following Elon Musk's announcement of forming a new political party. Investors are concerned that this distraction may impact Tesla performance in leadership. Palantir leads NASDAQ advances amid market declines. Palantir shares rose 3.5%, standing out in a market where most sectors closed lower. This growth highlights investors' confidence in Palantir business model, despite broader market challenges. And so that's going to do it for your morning brief.